Hello everybody! Welcome back to a brand new episode of my little YouTube show that I like to call My Little YouTube Show. I'm going to do a little quick update in this video. Not that much to talk about, but mostly I want to plug a new section of my website. You may not know that I actually have a website where I sometimes write words instead of just making videos. I know, what a strange concept. I can talk and write? What skills can I do next? So I have a website, my jokes are always the oddest, where I have some blog posts and things about myself, and I recently added a new section to it called Uses, spelled U-S-E-S, U-S-E-S. And on this website, on this new page, I kind of tell what things I use to make these videos, because I get this question a lot and people are always curious about what magic, and it's not really magic, it's just toys that I play with to make these videos. And I just figured I'd share it with you, letting you know that it's there. You already know that I use VS Code as my editor. You've seen that many times, like you can see me using it. Where is it? Right here, VS Code. I use the standard font for VS Code. I use the standard. I use a different theme. I actually use a theme from Atom, another editor that I used for a while before I used VS Code. I just kind of got used to it and really enjoy it. It pleases me, this theme. I use iTerm as my iTerm 2 in specific for my terminal. I use OhmyZ Shell, which is a open source project that you can install, and it includes all these lovely, powerful default upgrades to the terminal experience. Like, for example, if you're in a Git repo, OhmyZ Shell will show the current branch that you're on, so you always have a point of reference where you're doing things. That's one of the easiest things that I really enjoy. It has color highlighting, syntax highlighting in the terminal by default. It just makes for a more pleasant experience, and because I don't care that much, I kind of just leave the vanilla installation by itself. I use, right now I've upgraded my camera. It's now a Sony a6400 to record these things. If I actually took a video to show you in real time what this looks like, this is the camera that I have, the A6400 with the flip-up screen, so I can actually see myself. And then I have a microphone on the side here because there's a shoe on the top here where you can actually put the microphone if you want to, but if I put the microphone here, then I can't see myself, and I like to see myself to make sure that I don't forget what I look like. So I got this little extender thing under here to make the microphone sit on the side so it actually can sound better. I use the Shure VP83 lens hopper to record these things. It's all in a GorillaPod that I use. Not that's way too small. And then I use QuickTime to record my screen, and then I use Final Cut to kind of merge it all together. I have a normal MacBook laptop from mid-2015, 16 gigs of RAM. Don't use an external monitor. I don't have a stable enough setup here to actually use it, and the desk's a little bit too small to have things work together, and I'm fine mostly as just a regular laptop. And then I used an external Apple keyboard and touchpad. I mean, it's just a very vanilla setup, right? So I mean, that's kind of what I use every day. In case you were curious, in case you had that curiosity, there you go. I'm gonna update this page as I get new toys. I really want to get the new trackpad. I have the old first generation trackpad, which requires batteries, and then I got rechargeable batteries for them, but the newer trackpads you can just plug in like you can with the Apple remote or the things to recharge it, which means I don't have to worry about batteries and charging it, which I really want to upgrade to, but I can't justify upgrading because this thing still works. It's kind of how my brain works. This thing has to break before I'll be willing to upgrade to anything else new. That's the highlights. Hopefully that was enjoyable. Just wanted to kind of share the whole experience where you see me recording every day. That's kind of how it all goes. I'll be back with a more technical video in the future. Not right now though, because this wasn't technical in any way, but they'll come back. They always will. Bye bye.